Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Gold is still holding our upper support region. We have no break of support and the decline is also still just in 3 waves. So we're going to take a look at that. Overall, idea is still that we are in a bullish market for the metals, for gold and for silver. And unfortunately, I don't have much time to look at too many other metals. I wish I could, but just don't have the time, especially not at the moment. But idea is still that we are working on a C wave to the upside, wave C, which started in February 2024. So we have here this B wave low, and I'm looking for a 5-wave move to the upside in the most simple wave count that I've got here. In this scenario, we have a wave 1 to the upside, which topped in March this year. Wave 2 to the downside, which bottomed also in March, around 2150. Third wave rally, probably topped here, and you might hear the dog in the background running the stairs. Third wave might have topped 2450 in April. Fourth wave might have bottomed, and we're now likely in the 5th wave. We all know that 5th waves in metals like to extend. Therefore, it's possible that this here was only the A wave of the 5th wave. It's not long enough, this rally that happened here in May, to be all of wave 4, all of wave 5. At least it's not reliable. So I see this in the white scenario as an A wave. Then we get a B wave pullback. Well, that could be completed actually, but then I now need to see a bit of a signal that the C wave rally has started. So this scenario could send us higher. In this scenario, the B wave of wave 5 ideally bottomed. And well, if the B wave bottomed, I mean, where should it send us? Well, one way of measuring is to take the length of the A wave. We go to the low of the B wave. And the first target that I'm looking at is the 100% extension. But basically, it's this range between 2496 and 2565. This would be the ideal target for wave 5, for wave C of 5, of C of 3. Okay. There is another way of measuring a target. We could take the entire length of waves 1 to 3, go to the low of the wave 4, and then we're looking for the 61.8 extension. That takes us to 2600 nearly. And I would just go with this at the moment for now. In this scenario, which is quite interesting, the market pulled back in 3 waves. So you see we have an A, B and the C wave down, and we have enough waves complete also in the micro perspective. But also only 3 waves up from the low. And what I told you last time is I need initially a break above resistance. A break above resistance could start the next rally or could be our signal. So that resistance area is between 2368 and 2381. Why is this the resistance area? Because in the yellow count, which is slightly different, this could be a 4th wave rally. So let me explain. In the yellow count, we're basically dealing with the same scenario. Just the subwave structures are a little bit different. In both scenarios, we are in a 3rd wave, actually in the same 3rd wave. But in the yellow count, we're only now basically starting. We're basically now only starting the C wave rally of wave 3. So the wave 3 would eventually sit here. But ironically, short term, it would need probably another low. Okay. So the idea would be A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, and it should go probably into the 2800 region. So if we go to the 30-minute chart, I just want to explain that it wouldn't be a disaster to see here another low. If we do, then I would call it wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And if this is the count, the wave 4 should not break above 2381. Yeah, and if then we get one more low, okay, then this would be wave C of B. And this would be an ideal target range between 2,292 and 2,233, because the B wave was quite high, so the C wave doesn't need to go very low. Yeah, so basically for me, I'm exploring if the low is in, but I don't see the evidence yet. And if we get one more low, then we know where it should take us. But overall, all of this is still part of an overall bullish scenario. Hope you liked the update about gold. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find a link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.